My wireless mic is charging, and so I have to use this mic, but now I feel like one of those video essay people. Ugh. Hello, good morning, everyone. It's me, the guy. I'm just recording a video to give you guys an update on things going on with me. Like, where on earth are the figure tutorials? And I think that's the only thing people are wondering, actually. But I'm gonna give you an update on other stuff that I've been up to, and why there was nothing uploaded last month. Let's see if I can cover everything. Project 1, I want to try and make a bunch of low poly characters and animate a scene with them. That takes place after this one animation I did. I'll show you some of my progress in there. It was originally going to be a 2D animation, but I was like, I don't really want to draw a fight scene, so I might as well try Blender again. And I got some progress on that, and then that stopped, but I plan on working on that again. I should hopefully have footage playing right now, otherwise this is going to be weird. Yeah. Another thing that I've been up to was playing Genshin Impact again. So yeah, that's taking some time out of actually working on my projects. Speaking of projects, this Halloween I redid my costume. And I was dressed up as Spider-Man, checking people out. Oh gosh. While working as a cashier at my workplace. So I was just standing still for the most part. I didn't get to walk around. Yeah. This is the Ends of the Earth Spider-Man suit. But I used the design from the Insomniac Spider-Man games. So, yeah. This was a very last-minute project. I had 2 hours of sleep before Halloween, because I was trying to work on the shoulders, painting them and blah blah blah. And when I got to work, the paint was still wet, that some of the paint got onto my shirt and made me sad. Boohoo, but I'm really proud of this. I'm going to rework on the head though, because it just looks funky, you know? But it does flip up, so there's that. I just don't have it with me right now. But please take my word on it. I've dressed up as this specific Spider-Man before, back in grade 11, but I just wanted to redo it because, first of all, I thought I wouldn't have to do too much work to actually have a costume this Halloween, but I ended up having to remake almost all of the parts except for the arm braces, pretty much. But I'm proud of how it turned out, so there's that. Little tangent here, might as well show off my old costumes. Got this Optimus Prime costume, I still have the head remaining. Yeah, it's whack. That was back in grade 9. Grade 10 though, I was Cardboard Man. Cardboard Iron Man. And I won the first place, baby! I still have the plush that I won from that, by the way. Speaking of first place, I won the costume contest in my workplace with my Spider-Man costume. Boom, bringing it back, baby. I didn't win back in grade 11. Other things. What other things have I been working on? Oh, right. On my Instagram account, I have been trying to do a series where I do one monthly drawing and failing at it. Based on this little side project I have called... Oh, you can't see it. Oh, you can't see it. I'll pull up a picture later. It's called The Gals. It's just a bunch of girls. Maybe I'll make a dating sim someday. Little tangent, offshoot, whatever, of Project Sam, which is what the figure is based on. Bring it in a circle, baby! Yeah. So, also been working on that. This one, supposed to come out on Halloween, but I slept after working, so I didn't get to work on it, and I've been trying to recreate this one art style that I've been working on, but I can't do it. Snap, snap, sync. Yeah. Okay, I don't know where I was. My camera's battery died. Womp womp. Working on the monthly Gals thing. Gals has Sam in it. Sam is the figure I'm working on. Part of that. Yeah, okay. Sam, right. I still have her right here. Her neck snapped off a while ago, but I fixed it. Yeah. Now I'm ready to keep working on her. Next part is going to be the stomach. I'm hopefully going to be finished that by next week. I have nothing right now, because, yeah. I actually redid a bunch of her interior torso parts and her neck. Made some adjustments there. Maybe I'll have a clip of the adjustments showing right now. who knows? But yeah, some of them include making the neck slightly longer so that there's less of a gap between the neck and the head. I filled in the gaps in the shoulders as well so that it doesn't look as hollow, you know? Redid the back, blah blah blah. And yeah. I also made a bunch of ball joints a while ago using epoxy sculpt, and it's been working well so far. I just added a bit of super glue and tissue to add some friction, still using the hot glue sockets, but yeah, there we go. So for the future, if I need to make any ball joints, I probably would just use those. But the paper and hot glue ball joint is still very much viable. There's that. What else? The new Simpsons season in Fortnite's kind of taking up some of my time. It's been pretty fun. You guys should check it out. Woohoo. I got a new figure. I got this Quinley figure by X-Cocoon. I don't really know. I'm really glad I got this figure. I think it is one of the best figures that have released this year. I got it for 110 Canadian, but stock's been running pretty low. That these have been selling for like 150 to 280 Canadian. This figure is based on Chun-Li, but they are making a blank body version that should be half the price and should be more mass-produced. Yeah, if you're interested in figures and can afford one, you should go check it out. It should be releasing sometime in April, maybe. Speaking of figures I got these guys. Got Optimus Prime and Megatron by Oddly. Yeah, pretty neat figures. They're tiny, very posable, but non-transforming, so I was gonna try and make them look like the comic versions from the Skybound comics, because it's a pretty good series that you should check out if you like comics. Yeah. I don't think I have anything else. I'm planning on getting a 3D printer soon, so maybe something will come of it. Oh yeah, I got those last 3 figures because I turned 22 last month. I know I'm old. I got nothing much. I want to try doing some drawing streams, gaming streams. I definitely want to have the next paper figure video up next week, so yeah. Wish me luck. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. This is the first time I'm recording a video like this. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna try and edit this and get it done today. Bye.